Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Marc from Deamon's Dezignz. Basically, doing a service on this 15 kVA. Well, I think it's a 20. The problem that I have here is, ladies and gentlemen, is that this was supposed to be just a simple service job. But the previous people that serviced this machine did not check the radiators. So basically we got a new radiator in there. I'll show you the old radiator now. But this is one of the reasons why I quit mechanicals, because of people that's too lazy and too cheap and just don't care about morals and doing quality work and things like that. Now, the guys were the previous people that did the service. All they did was just the filters and the oil. I'm sure I've got the old radiator cap here somewhere, but yeah, this was an absolute joke. They didn't even reset the service alarm, nothing like that. So these poor people, they had this machine running with that beeping noise constantly, almost blew the engine. But it is, new radiator, flushed the engine, basically flushed the system. Let me show you the old radiator. And the amount of gunk that came out of this makes me really worried about the water pump. So, yeah, as you can see there, now the camera doesn't do it justice, but as you can see, it's got a Bose on the side. So this thing was under pressure, building pressure, and I'm very surprised that it didn't blow up. But basically, okay, I did clean it, but look at that. That is from people that's supposed to do a service, and they never did do a proper service. This is how I do things. This is how I want to do it, and then they run away. Now me, I do the complete opposite. I inspect everything, check everything, make sure everything's copacetic, everything is running the way it's supposed to, all of that. So yeah, I think I may have the old radiator cap here somewhere. Okay, so that's the new one. Oh no, okay, I don't have the new old one here now. But yeah. So that's it there. Thank you. Bye.